Dall-e 3 tutorial. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through Dall-e 3 and how you're going to use this incredible software. So Dall-e 3 is obviously an advanced version of Dall-e 2 that OpenAI released, and it's a software that you can only use with ChatGPT Plus. Okay, without ChatGPT Plus, Dall-e 3 is not usable. So Dall-e 3 understands significantly more nuance and detail than the previous Dall-e 2, and you can see the actual detail in the actual design that goes into this stuff. So you can see, this is an illustration, and a person just wrote an illustration of an avocado sitting in a therapist chair saying, I feel empty inside with a pit-sized hole in its center. The therapist, a spoon, scribbles notes. So look at this. Looks pretty cool, right? And then, there's all these designs that you can get. Now, the thing is, Dall-E 3 can only be used with ChatGPT, as you can see. So in ChatGPT or ChatGPT Plus, what you're going to do is you're going to add in prompts. So let's say my 5-year-old keeps talking about a super duper sunflower hedgehog. What does it look like? So that's what it looks like. So, that's what Dall-E 3 does. That's how Dall-E 3 is used. And the art is absolutely out of this world. So I would definitely urge you users to buy ChatGPT Plus right now and start using Dall-E. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.